let's say you've got a sequence of numbers. Let's just say 17 and then 32 and then 55 and then blah 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 here. And your job is to try and find a formula that will allow you to jump from here straight to here, or from the 4 straight to here, or from 37 jump straight to whatever number. So your job here is to try and find out a formula that connects everything. So that allows you to jump from the number 2 straight to here, from the number 3 straight to here. So the aim here is to find a formula that connects everything here. Okay, so to do this here, you start by so this here is your sequence. Hang on, this is your sequence. This and then this and then this and so on. This is a sequence that you're given. The first step to do this is to take the difference. So get this, take away 17, that will give you 15, and then get this, get 55, take away 32, that will give you 23, and so on here. Take the difference. So get this, take away this, that will give you 31, and so on. And then do it again. Well, take the difference again. So get this, take away this, that will give you 8. And then get this, take away this, that will give you 8. And then get this, take away this, that will give you 8. Now, this here is your first layer. Now, if the second layer here, this is your second layer here, this here is your second layer. If your second layer is a constant, then your formula will be of this form here. Okay, hang on. So this here is your sequence. This is your sequence, your given sequence here. Now, if the second layer, this is your first layer here, this is your second layer. If your second layer is a constant, then the formula that connects, from this, the formula that will take you from here straight to here, or from here straight to here, is given in this form here. Okay, so if the second layer is a constant, meaning if the first layer here, second layer, if the second layer here is a constant, then the formula will be of this form here. So our job here is to try and find the constants A, B, and C. Once we've got our A, B, and C, then we've got a formula that will allow us to jump from here straight to here, or from here straight to here. Okay, so our formula will be of this form here. So to find out this here, consider this. Hang on. Consider this. So this is our, we assume that our formula is of this form here, and then we let this thing here flow through the system. You see what I mean later? So our formula will be of this form here. Let it flow through the system. So when the first sequence is 1, so this is our n here. So when n equals 1, when n equals 2, when n equals 3, when n equals, and so on here. Okay, so we put 1 into here. We put 1 into the system. So we're assuming that this here is our formula. We just let it flow through the system. So put 1 into here. So this will be 1 squared. This will be 1 squared, which is 1, and then 1 times a here will be this a here. Okay, and don't forget we're putting 1 into here. So this will be 1b. This is 1b here. And then, well, C, this C doesn't contain the n at all. This doesn't contain the n, so it's just simply C. Okay, so when n equals 1, our formula will yield this A, B plus C here. Now, when n equals 2, put this into here, and then put this 2 here into here. So it will give us, well, when you put 2 into here, it will be 2 squared. That will be 4. So you will have 4a, which is this 4a here. And then put the 2 into here. That will be 4b. That will be, when you put the 2 into here, that will be 2b. That will be 2b here. And this c here, it doesn't contain the n. So it's just simply c. Okay, so our second term will be this. So we assume that this here is our formula. We let it flow through the system. So when n equals 3, when n equals 3, put 3 into here. So this here would be 9a. Put a 3 here into this n here, so that would be 3b, and then you've got your c here. And when n equals 4 here, put a 4 into this system here. Then that will give us this, and so on. That will give us this. Okay, so we assume that this is a formula. Let it flow through the system. Okay, so now hang on. So now so we've established that when we assume that this is our formula here, we let it flow through the system. It then gave us this thing here. Okay, so now just take the difference of the two. So get this, take away this. So here you've got so now, well, when we assume that when we assume the formula to be this, we let it flow through the system. It gave us a sequence of this, then this, and then this, and then this here. So now take the difference. So now get this, take away this here. That will give you this. Okay, and then if you because look at this. If you get this, take away this, it will be 4a, take away a, that will be 3a. Okay, looking at the b, 2b, take away 1b, that will be b, and then you've got c, take away c, that will be 0. So when you get this, take away this, it will give you this. Okay, and then get this, take away this, which will be 9a, take away 4a, that will be 5a. And then looking at the b, 3b, take away 2b, that will be b, and then you've got c, take away c, that will be 0. So when you get this, take away this, it will then give you this. Okay, and then do the same over here. Get this, take away this, it will give you this, and so on. And then take the second difference. Now get this, take away this. So here you've got 5a, take away 3a, that will be 2a, and then b, take away b, that will be nothing. So when you get this, take away this, it will give you 2a. Now when you get this, take away this, it will be 2a. So this is like a constant here, constant, and so on. So we started out by assuming that this is a formula. Let the formula flow through the system. So that would then give us this whole thing here. Now if you compare this whole thing here to our original table, you see, hang on. So we assumed our formula to be this. We let it flow through the system. That will then give us this whole thing here. Now compare this whole thing here to our original table. So this was our original table here. Okay. So this here was our original sequence, and then we took the difference. That gave us this, and then we took a difference again. That gave us a constant, a constant, a constant. Now let's look at our formula here. This is our formula here. We let it flow through the system, and then took the difference, just like before. So the constant, constant, constant. So now compare this with this. Compare this with this here. Now, when you compare it, look at this here. This here is a constant, constant, constant. Looking at our original table here, constant, constant, constant. So set this 2a here. Looking at our original formula, our formula here, set 2a to be our constant, to be 8. So here you've got 2a, 2a, 2a. So set that to be 8, because this is our constant here. So set the 2a to be 8. Okay. So hang on. So set the 2a to be 8. Okay. And now hang on. So originally, hang on, our formula here was this. Let it flow through the whole system. Now this here is our second. This here is our second layer. This here is our first layer. Now if you look at the first layer here, this thing, set this thing to be the same as this. Okay, and then set this to be the same as the 17 here. So hang on, let's look at it again here. So here, this was our formula here. Let it flow through the system, it will give us this. Okay, so now compare this with our original table, which was this. Okay, so now hang on. So now compare. Now set this to be 8. Okay, and then now set this to be 15. Okay, and now set this to be 17. Okay, by the way, you could set the others as well. You could set this to be this here, to be 55 here, but keep it simple. Let's just concentrate on these three here. So set these three to be the same as these three here. Okay, so that will then give you this. Okay, so now it's just a matter of solving A, B, and C here. So when you have this here, A will be 4, B will be 3, and C will be, because if you look at this here, to solve A, well, A here would be 4, and once you know A is 4, you can just put this into here. So this will be 12. 12 plus what would be 15? It must be 3. Now that you've got 4 and 3, you can put this into here. You can put this into here. So C must be 10. So C must be 10. So now you've got your A, B, and C. So therefore your overall formula would be this. You see, it is this formula that allows you to jump from whatever. Well, it's this form. This here is your formula here. Okay.